Wednesday, the 31st of August, and currently this trend line is holding up fairly well, still within this band of neutrality in between 38 and 42. I think a lot of it will pick up when the kiddies go back to school next week, people coming back from holidays. And the big thing is this 42 level. It needs to get by it and try to find a hold this area as support or just burst through. But until then, it is neutral. Switching it up to the 6 hour chart, and we're having a major test right now within this 4132 Fibonacci level. This is the 2/3 retracement from this low to this high. In order for this rally that begun at the start of August, that lasted for a couple weeks to this point here, it needs to hold this key level. This level is that of 39 and 2/3. It has dipped below it for a few hours in here, but it didn't stay below that level. And for this thing to really get going and be bullish, it needs to cross above this level here. And the first time you come up to it and you hit that mark, and then what's a positive sign is how it stays within this band, this 5-day average band, does not break below it, thus finding a higher low from this retracement point, and now back to this level. What do we see right now? This particular candle that ends at 12 o'clock or at 1800 CET. I got one too many in here. And that would be that it's breaking above this level now. What would be ideal is to maybe have a nice breakout up towards this key 42 level, and then find a way of showing this level here, which has been resistance, to that of support. These bands are moving in closer. When the bands move in like that, you're usually in a sideways, indecisive type mode, and a break of this level would definitely take away some of that indecisiveness. The month is now coming very close to a close as of 11 a.m. New York time, up 4.29%. So with only about 6 hours or so to the close, a up month, but only 4%. Nothing too major. As far as trend line analysis is concerned, if we find the parallel line within this level here, what we get is an area that was resistance that stabilized within here, broke free, and has now been support and is starting to lift off within this level. We see that it came right down to the 18-period average of highs where it ended up hitting this peak. And once again, we have a nice move, a little correction, nice move, bigger correction. Are we going to have a nicer move or even another nice move after this? Again, that big 42 level is what we'll be looking for things to really get going.